In today's modern warfare, the battlefield is no longer dominated by tanks and jets alone. Drones have become a key player. In the Ukraine-Russia war, we've seen some groundbreaking and unexpected uses of drone technology. Let's explore what makes this conflict so unique in terms of drone warfare. One of the most eye-catching developments has been the use of fiber-optic drones. These drones are connected to a strong, thin fiber-optic cable. Why? Because they're immune to jamming and provide high quality, low-latency video feeds, perfect for hitting nearby targets with precision. Civilian drone tech in the military. Another surprising trend: widespread use of civilian and non-standard drone platforms. Instead of sticking to official military-grade drones, both sides have modified hobby drones, even regular FPV drones used for fun, to serve combat purposes. This shows how quickly and cheaply drone warfare can be adapted using whatever is available. 3D printing and DIY tech. A huge amount of 3D printing and do-it-yourself technology is being used to build or upgrade drones. From frames to parts, even explosive mounts, all can be made cheaply and efficiently on the spot. 4. Non-drone explosives adapted for drones. Shockingly, many explosives used in these drones weren't even designed for them. Examples include piezoelectric detonation materials. These were around before drones even existed, but have now been adapted effectively. 5. Surveillance drones and loitering attacks. Fixed-wing drones with cheap Chinese camera sensors are used for long flight surveillance. They loiter in the air and help guide smaller FPV drones to attack after confirming target 6. Coordinated multi-drone attacks sometimes. Several FPV drones attack together. One drone flushes enemies out of buildings or trenches, while others strike the escaping soldiers. Even nearby friendly troops wait for the right moment to strike. Its next-level coordination with civilian tech. 7. Ground-based explosive drones. It's not just flying drones. Ground-based RAF-type drones also enter trenches or buildings with larger explosives for devastating effects. 8. Drones as smart mines. In some cases, instead of using landmines, drones are left armed on roadsides. When enemy vehicles pass, the drone launches and attacks, causing chaos. Sometimes soldiers flee, leaving doors open, only for another drone to enter and finish the job. 9. Evasive maneuvers. Drones now perform last-minute movements to avoid gunfire and ensure that even if they're destroyed, they still detonate on the enemy. 10. Captured enemy drones reused. There are reports of FPV drones being safely landed by jamming, then reprogrammed to attack their original owners. 11. Shate-style long-range drones. Larger. Long-range drones like Shate types are used for more significant high-damage strikes. 12. Kamikaze FPV drones with heavy payloads. These FPV drones carry loads heavier than their safe limits because they're not coming back. They're kamikaze drones designed for one mission: strike hard, strike fast.